Artificial intelligence is coming of age. So are its promises. But AI brings risks as well.
Think about what could happen if AI were to give bad investment advice.
Pierce the security of personal health records.
Or perpetuate biases.
Every AI application has human consequences. That's why it must uphold human values.
Of all the things AI can be, the first thing it has to be is trustworthy.
For AI to deserve our trust, data engineers,
Security experts,
regulators,
legal teams, and others.
All have to be mindful of the ways their work will shape trust.
Getting there takes dedicated resources.
education,
new processes,
and bringing all stakeholders to the table.
An AI governance team can make sure nothing is left to chance.
Leaders need to articulate the ethics that lie at the core of trust.
Informed risk managers need to see dangers before they arise.
And managers and end users need to check and validate performance with targeted assessments and tools.
Your organization's reputation may depend on how you put AI to use.
if there are issues to address, you want to be the first to know.
Because AI is so sophisticated, managing its risks may call for specialized tools.
These are more than safeguards. They can also help make AI work better.
At face value, it all seems so simple. You have a new tool, use it responsibly.
Use it responsibly.
Use it responsibly.
But with AI, nothing is simple. We are still learning what it can do.
The stronger it gets, the greater its possible effects.
There is no one tool that can make AI trustworthy, but there is a path forward, and it begins with understanding.
Trustworthy AI offers more than just a world of new insights. It also offers confidence in where those insights may lead. That's a journey worth taking.